All are fine and doing well and having a great time. Today, before starting the video, I'm going to be popping up a question. And the question is, do you want me to make videos just in English, or do you want me to go back and make videos like I used to, where I used to talk in Hindi, English and Bengali and mix and match, like একটু বাংলায় একটু হিন্দিতে একটু ইংলিশে কথা বলে ভিডিও বানাবো না ऐसे ही बनाए सिर्फ इंग्लिश में ही बात करें. I just want to know your opinion, so please be honest and let me know, because I did get a lot of DMs regarding this on Insta and on Facebook. So I wanted to pop this question up on YouTube, and I did get one suggestion on YouTube in the previous video where someone said yes, I should continue making videos where I talk in Hindi, English as well as Bengali. I wanted to know your opinion, and in today's video I will be unboxing and showing to you some amazing baked goodies from a cake boutique. And yes, I know I have been doing a lot of bakery products unboxing, but believe me, Christmas is just around the corner and I'm sure you're going to love these items as well. So without further ado, let's start this video. At the beginning of the video, I will be unboxing and showing you all the goodies I received from Aloha. Yeah, these are all baked goodies. So you can see I really love the packaging, and these are the goodies for us. The first thing I have got, okay, first I have received 2 macarons, mini size. So they are really good looking, and then I have got 2 brownies. Okay, these 2 are different kind of brownies, mind you. They are not the same but different kind of brownies. The name is also written, I will tell you the name as well. And the first one that you see is a Nutella brownie, and then I have got a Belgian fudge brownie, so I'll keep that aside as well. And then I have got a Aloha signature tea cake, and this is their special signature tea cake. I really love the packaging, the way they have packed the tea cake. And now I have got another box. You know, this is like a gift that keeps on giving, so I really love the way they have packed it. The bow, everything is very cute. So let's open and see what I've got inside. Okay, I have got 2 more baked goodies inside. Okay, what I will do is I will take it in my hand and show it to you, so you guys can get a clearer look and a better look at the baked goodies. So I have got 2 goodies out here, 2 baked items rather. So I will tell you the name. Okay, first what I want to do is keep this big box aside. I really love the print and the color, it's very cute. I'll just keep this aside and I will show you the other 2 items I received from them. So I have got one cheesecake with berry sauce, and I have got a salted caramel Belgian tart. Okay, so now let me keep all the items that I received from them on my wooden tray. And you saw all the items, and don't worry, I'll just check my description below after you have completely watched my video. I will be giving you the name and also the price of each and every item that you see in this video today. And if you like it, do go ahead and place your order from Aloha. Make sure to watch the entire video, because I will be shooting the taste test part as well, so make sure to watch the entire video. And if you like this video, do press the thumbs up button and comment down below, share this video with your friends and family, and subscribe to my channel. So this is the part where I'm going to be doing the taste test for all the baked goodies and cakes that I got from Aloha. I give you all the product names and the price in the description below, so don't forget to check my description. These are the macarons. I'll start with one of it. I'll just start with the macarons. They look very tasty, and this is the size. The flavor is pistachio. Just take a quick bite. Very tasty. I don't have the full thing because I have to taste a lot of items. Then I have got a Belgian chocolate brownie. Open it, take a bite from this one as well. I'll just break it from one corner. Super soft, melts in your mouth. And yes, you can actually taste the chocolate. This one was good. Actually I'm taking small bites because there's a lot of items that I have to taste, and if I take a huge bite from all of them, I won't be able to taste. That's the reason. Then this is the Nutella brownie. Taste this one as well. Yeah, it tastes like Nutella. The smell is like Nutella exactly. It feels like the entire brownie is coated with Nutella, and when you bite into it, you just get a flavor of Nutella. It's not very crunchy. Like, there are certain brownies that are very crunchy, but this is not like that. But you do get the exact taste of Nutella, as it is written as a Nutella brownie. And this one was way different from this one. Then I have got the signature blend cake. It is a pure handmade cake. I did not cut this. I'm going to be cutting this. I'm going to be tasting this. Can't wait to dig into this one. I have to now cut this loaf of cake. Right, I'll just cut this cake. Take a small slice out of it. Yep, pretty small size. The smell is very sweet. Overall, it was quite good, and the best thing is it's super soft. Super soft, like you can see from here. See? I'm going to be having the rest of the cake. It was so yummy. I was planning to take just a small bite, but ended up having the entire cake. Okay, and now there are other two cakes that are remaining out there. So I'll just go and get it out from the fridge and show it to you and do the taste. So guys, I'm back with the cheesecake and the salted caramel tart. The cheesecake comes with a berry sauce. So let's quickly open it and show it to you guys again. I'll just take it out and put it in a plate, because otherwise it's going to be difficult for me to show it to you as well as have it. So this is the cheesecake. You did see that, didn't you? And this is the salted caramel tart. Wait, I'm showing it to you. Where is it? Yeah, this is the salted caramel tart. Looks very pretty. I'll keep both of them in a plate. On a plate, and this is the berry sauce. I've kept both of them on a plate. So here is the entire setting. Ooh la la, it looks good. Now I'm just going to dig in and have a taste test. I'll start with the cheesecake. Okay, I kept it in the fridge for the sole purpose. I don't want it to melt, and I didn't want it to melt. Just super amazing. And this time I'm thankful I didn't make a mistake. I did put it in the fridge so it didn't melt, and it tastes yummy. Super amazing. Yes, I have to taste the berry sauce. Perfect combination. The berry sauce is sweet. Cheesecake is a bit salty. Perfect. You guys enjoyed watching the video as much as I enjoyed making the video. So if you loved watching it, make sure to share this video with your friends and family. And don't forget to like this video and comment on this video. And subscribe to my channel. And make sure to follow me on Instagram and Facebook, because I am very regular on Instagram, and I will be giving you the next update for my video on Instagram. So make sure to follow me on Instagram at Soulzuk Studio. Yes, and don't forget to check my description, because I will be giving you all the links and the name of the baked goodies and the price and the address of Aloha Cake Boutique in the description. and I will catch you guys pretty soon on another video. Till then, have a nice time guys. Ta-da. Bye bye.